In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine two indicators in TradingView. If you're looking to streamline your analysis by placing two technical indicators into a single pane, you're in the right place. This process not only helps keep your charts cleaner and more organized, but also allows you to easily compare data and make informed decisions with a more integrated view. Let's begin by adding both indicators separately. For this example, we'll use two popular ones: the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, known as MACD. To do this, open your TradingView chart. In the top left corner, you'll find the Indicators and Strategies button. Click on it, and a search box will appear. Here, type RSI and select it from the list that pops up. You'll notice the RSI indicator appear below your main chart in a separate pane. Repeat the same process to add the MACD. Just type MACD in the search box and add it to your chart. Once both indicators are plotted separately, the next step is to combine them into one pane. For the easiest method, simply right-click on the title or any plot of the second indicator you added. In this case, we'll right-click on the MACD title. A menu will appear with several options. Here, you're looking for the one that says Move to. Hover over it, and another menu will offer you two choices: Existing pane above or Existing pane below. If your RSI is in the upper pane and MACD is in a lower one, select Existing pane above. This merges the MACD with the RSI in one place. Alternatively, you could choose to drag the indicator manually. Simply click and hold on its title, then drag it towards the pane of the other indicator. Either way you use, your indicators will now share the same space on your chart. Merging these indicators offers an additional option: adjusting the scales. Upon combining them, you'll notice options appear, typically in the right side scale area. Here, you can choose to merge scales if you prefer both indicators sharing a single axis for a more streamlined look. Alternatively, you can opt to leave their scales separate, which can be helpful if both indicators operate on vastly different numerical ranges, and you want to view each with their individual metrics. That's it! With these simple steps, you get both indicators in one pane without any need for scripting or technical tinkering. This setup not only declutters your workspace, but also enriches your analysis by giving you a composite view of multiple indicators at once. So try it out, make the most of your TradingView insight, and happy trading.